today's episode.
Howdy, 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 heedy, 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 howdy, 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 heedy, 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 heedy.
Let's get down to make sure you subscribe.
Unfortunately, it's time to weigh in. I feel like dog shit, I feel fat, and I've put on weight, I can feel it. Keep it down!
Trying to find something to record you. Kyla? Kai?
Oh man.
Kyla? Yeah, leave it please. Yeah, you can record on my phone.
Here we go. I don't know, I'm still sick. It's no excuse, but these things happen. It's part of the journey. And I'm gonna show you.
Dad, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Relax and go and go. Yeah, put on weight. I don't know, I can't remember what it was last week, but we'll work it out. We'll work out the weight I put on in a minute. Right now, I'm pretty hungry. I'm having some breakfast. Oh, you put on weight. You shouldn't eat breakfast, Yana. Shut up. Right, time to talk about my weight. We'll have a look how much we got last week. I was, where is it? I was like 169 or something. No. Where are ya? Maybe I should have got this ready before I press record. Here we go. What order? Last week I was 169.4. Shit. We'll put that down. 169.4. Can't really think. I'm all over the joint, bro. Today I don't even remember what I was for 10 minutes ago. 173.9. Jeez. 173.9. 73.9. Alright, we'll do 173.9 minus 169.4 equals, jeez, 4.5 kilos. I've pretty much put on 5 kilos in a week. That's a kilo a day. Oh man, I can't win this week. I can't fucking win this week. I'm not saying, oh, poor me, you know what I mean? Like, I'm sick. I had dentist work. I'm sick. I'm on painkillers. I'm on this. I'm on that. I'm working early. It's cold. Rah, 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 boo-hoo, dog shit, you know. It is what it is, man. That's my life. That's this week. It's a shit week. Hopefully we get better and back on track, you know what I mean? I haven't done nothing this week, man. No dieting properly. Like, my dinners have been crapping. I ate pizza and I'm fast, man. Today is the day to recover. I need to get better. And yeah, that's my day. That's my life. That's my week. Alright, we're going to make a little concoction today. I'm still sick. I'm getting over it. Stop taking stickers off. What you're going to need is some boiling hot water. Fill about half. Alright? Then you're going to need Old English breakfast. Tea.
Honey.
Dunk that in there. Shit. And then get a whole lemon.
Dad, I want to cross. Please?
Yes, you can. Wait. Alright, go. Squeeze. Yep. That's it.
Left one. That's the left one, me.
Yes, relax. Go. Alright, lemon in there. Then you're gonna get some of your homemade
And
onion honey. Right?
honey.
Look at my previous videos if you want to get the recipe. Leave that, Clark. Alright. And then you want to get some of your Manuka honey. Pour that in there. Right?
Did you like my honey? That also honey.
And then
How
grab
I,
your favourite Robitussin.
how I open it? What I do? What I do?
Top it up with some cold water.
That is not mine.
Look, it's hot.
I want to drink. Because it's nice. Because nice.
And wait for it to cool down a bit. Give it a mix.
Oh, they have to mix.
No,
What?
too hot.
It's too hot. That's what I do. Then open it. I can't.
Enjoy. Oh, she's hot. Hey. Time to start the day. Let's go get some lunch. Get out the house a little bit, you know what I mean? Let's go. Home now. Still fresh, still sick. Lunchtime, just bought some Chinese food from the Chinese shop at the shopping centre.
Kyla's was spot the fuck on.
What?
You have an attitude.
Of a winner.
What does that mean?
Huh?
What does that
Like,
mean?
you know how, like, the mindset of a winner?
Oh.
Alright, my fortune. This time to finish lunch. What do we got? Jeez. An important person will offer you support. I don't know if that's fortune. Or couldn't it be like you will win the lottery on Tuesday? Last night my game was lagging. We'll give it another go today. I got 2 losses because the connection just failed. So that makes me look like I'm crap. We'll have another go and I hope we can get through this. I think it's because I was downloading other games. I don't know. Let's see. Anybody else play college football 25? Hit me up. I'll verse ya. I'm legit trash. I just got pumped 3 different games. I need to practice bad. I am like legit trash. I'm just gonna make some garlic honey and some onion honey, but I'm gonna use red onion. I'm getting better, but it's good to have in the pantry, you know what I mean? Garlic honey, keep it in there for a couple of days, couple of weeks, couple of months, couple of years. And that's onion honey. Same thing, couple of days, couple of weeks, couple of months, couple of years. Ashley reckons I should just eat a whole garlic because it's good for you when you're sick, so here we go. Not that great, but it's spicy. Make a little something to make me better. I'm gonna make a quick, easy, simple dinner tonight. Chicken tender sandwiches. That's dinner. I'm just gonna sit on the lounge, eat dinner tonight. Everyone's tired, everyone's sick, everyone's tired and tired and tired and tired. I look like I'm high on drugs, but I'm not. I guarantee you I'm not. I couldn't function if I was. Oh, I still feel like shit. I'll work tomorrow. Nice early start for the Sunday. Oh, fuck. Hopefully this goes soon. Another day or two. Come on, bro. That's it. We'll see how we go. You all have a great night, weekend. See you later. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I've been slack this week. Crap diet. No working out. Just, you know, acting like a typical man when he's sick. Can't do nothing. Laying on the lounge, being lazy. Yeah. Today is day. And it is currently 2:35 a.m. I'm on the way to work on a Sunday. Positive note, I am 10 times better this morning than I was yesterday morning. I even feel like my voice has changed back to normal a little bit, which is a positive. Got my honey water, is that all? And lemon, honey, lemon and water drink I'll be sipping throughout the day. And yeah, so this is the end of the week, but also start of the week for me, so like it's back to routine today. not back on my diet just yet. I got a meal prep this afternoon when I get home. So today I have like a protein bar and I think a couple sandwiches, egg sandwiches for my food today. Probably gonna have a fat meal tonight. We're having some, I think it's like a pasta bake, potato pie combo thing we've seen online, and we're gonna try it. And I'll make some homemade cookies for Kai. Have that with ice cream for dinner. Yes, I know it's a fat meal, but bro, it's been a rough week. It's family night, it's a family meal, and I'm getting back on track tomorrow. Tomorrow, back to diet, back to working out, you know what I mean, back on routine. I feel like I'm getting a lot better, so I should be fine by tomorrow. Fingers crossed. And I know a lot of people will be like, oh, this guy's a winning Joe, this guy's just making excuses. You can say what you want, this and that. You are not me. You don't know how it feels to be me or how it is. Just watch how I do what I do. If you're not happy that I put on weight, if you're not happy at the rate of weight loss I'm losing, just don't watch me. Because I don't want to make anybody angry or disappointed, and the only way that's going to happen is if you watch me. Now, if you don't like what you're watching, just don't. Like I know I'm not doing your conventional weight loss journey where I'm supposed to be so strict, but like it never was meant to be that. I've come out trying to lose weight, and I'm doing it over a period of time, and you know, sometimes, like, I'm a real person, and I'm going to show you that sometimes shit happens. Like, people will be like, oh, it's just an excuse that you're sick. If you're sick, you should sweat it out, you should work it out. It's like, yeah, you can say that, but like, it just sometimes, for me, it just doesn't work out like that. Like, I can barely breathe when I'm talking, when I'm sick. I'm going to sit on epileptical, I'm going to push weights. Like, yeah, it might help, but I'm not for me, man. Like, especially the way I felt this week. I just felt like absolutely dog shit, man. And then my mouth doesn't help because that's still a bit sore. So I'm still popping Nurofen and Panadols. And yeah, man, it's life. It was a rough week. The week's behind us. Monday's tomorrow. Starting a new week, and it's gonna be better than last week. So that's it. See you guys when I see ya. Finally, finished work today. Finished work for a Sunday. It is currently 2:45. Not too bad of a time. It wasn't yet a normal Sunday. Had to go here, there and around the world and back. But we got through it, we done it. Pumped it. Feeling a lot better than I felt yesterday, sickness wise. But I am not looking forward to tonight. Apparently it's getting down to 5 degrees overnight. So any progress I made in my cold, I'm probably going to lose it tonight unless I just sleep with the heater on all night and get $1 million power bill when it comes, you know what I mean? I want a fireplace. I want to get a house that has a fireplace. Chop some wood. It's a fireplace now. How good that'll be. Oh, you know, it's good to have dreams one day. But today's plan is to get home. I am gonna start making our homemade cookies. I'll put them in the oven, and I'll put potatoes on the boil for my meal prep, my lunch meal prep for the week. And then I'll go have a shower, come out, do my mince for the week. Ash is cooking dinner, I'm pretty sure. I've got to do some work on my YouTube channel on the computer, because I've been doing a lot of stuff on my iPad and on the phone, and it's like very restricted in like the options you have to do stuff. So we'll play around with that for a little bit, and yeah, man, just relax. Monday tomorrow, so we have to get back to working out. I'm not putting weight on this week again. Try and sort out the sickness. Like, I'm over the worst part of it, I reckon. You know what I mean? So I should be right. It's freezing cold today. Bro, what is with this lane, man? Yeah, it was like really cold today with a breeze, and that's why I had like so many layers of clothes on. I got a singlet, got a flannel, got a t-shirt, and then my work shirt, and then a work jumper. So I only just took the jumper off just now, so I've been in it all day, which is good. But yeah, I think the footy's on, so I'm gonna listen to the footy on the rest of the way home. You all have a great day, and I will see you guys when I see you. 1, 2, 3, go. We're going to make... What are we making?
Cookies.
Some cookies!
If you're walking, if you're walking, if you're walking into my life, if you're walking, if you're walking, if you're walking into my life.
Cookies?
Yes.
We'll put them in the oven in a minute. Here's our cookies. You have fun?
Yes.
Just waiting for the oven to heat up. I should have turned it on earlier. Be very careful, okay? Okay, here we go. Cookies are in. I think the cookies are done. We'll let them cool down and see what happens. I don't know. These ones I think need to go back in for a little bit.
Try your cookie.
They're hot.
It's nice. Good? Do you like it? What do you rate it?
Not bad.
What do you rate it?
Almost a Subway cookie. Almost. Alright, time to prep my lunch. Going to peel some potatoes. I'm going to make my mince for the week. Let go. of the UFC 300 primes. Ashley reckons it's a fake. I don't reckon it's a fake. I reckon it's real. Want to try it, Kai? Kyla, want to try it? I don't know what the flavour is. Yeah, Kai, want to try? I don't know what the flavour is. It just tastes like prime. Not too bad. It's not crap. Not bad. Meal prep is ready to get put in containers. But first I'm just going to have dinner. We're having pasta for dinner. Alright, time to dish up my stuff before I fall asleep on the lounge. I'm pretty tired. I'm going to go to bed in a minute. Dish up my lunches for the week. Let's go. Sunday done. I'm getting better in my throat, but the mucus in my nose is like really sticky and hard to get out. Yeah, Sunday was a long day. Tomorrow's Monday, new week. Fresh start. Alright, let's smash it out. See you guys later.